Hello, and welcome to Hubgrass Meditation for a magic meditation. Today we'll be doing a Star Wars balance meditation. So when you're ready, go ahead and find a comfortable position. You can be laying down, sitting in a chair, sitting against the wall. Really, whatever feels most comfortable to you, there is no right or wrong. And when you find your comfortable position, go and place your hands on your body just to feel a little bit more grounded. And if it feels comfortable to do so, you can close your eyes. So to begin our 10-minute balance Star Wars meditation today, we're going to start by deepening our breath. We're going to be breathing into our belly and breathing a large exhale out through the mouth. Again, we'll be breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And last time, we'll be breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to feel a little bit more grounded into our seat. Just feel a little heavier, get comfortable. Feel your hands on your knees or somewhere on your body. Feel your head right over your shoulders. And if it feels right to do so, just bring your shoulders down, roll them a little bit away from the ears. We're going to relax the micro movements around our eyes. Release the tension from in between your brows. And unstick your tongue from the roof of your mouth. So if you're a Star Wars fan, you know that every Star Wars show or movie is all about trying to bring balance to the Force. And at the end of each trilogy, we start to see changes, whether they're good or bad. You know, in the first trilogy, we see the Empire take over, which we know as the dark side. And in the second trilogy, you see the rebellion win, which is the light side. But what we fail to see is balance. And when we think about the character of Anakin, that's something he fought his entire life. You really get to watch this character grow and change, and watch his struggle with both the light and the dark. And I feel that's something we all struggle with in our day-to-day lives. We have to have the light and the dark. As amazing as it would be to have the light all the time, it's just not possible, and that's okay. We're going to have our good days and our bad days. We're going to have those fun and happy moments. And sometimes we're going to have our dark and sad moments. And as we go through life, we need to know that that's okay. If every day was a light day and it was good, you wouldn't really appreciate when you were having a good day, because every day would be a good day. those dark days, those bad days, they make those light and good days all the more sweeter. So as we watch the character Anakin grow and change throughout the saga, you could really start to think, what would it have been like if he accepted both the light and the dark? And how great could we be if we accept both the light and the dark? Now that we've focused on a character that struggled with the light and the dark, let's bring our focus onto Yoda. Yoda oftentimes brings up how important it is to see the dark and the light. And because he sees the dark and he lets it move through him without it taking hold or changing him in any way, it is easier for him to hold on to the light. And how would it feel if you embraced that, just like Yoda does, and let the dark move through you, not change you in any way, and accept the light? As we focus on that, start to deepen the breath. Again, breathing in through the nose, all the way down into your belly, and out through your mouth. Again, in through the nose, and out through the mouth. One more time, in through the nose and out through the mouth. If it feels right to do so, bring your hands to your chest. And really thank yourself for spending 10 minutes meditating today. Yoda would be so proud. And when it feels right, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me for this 10-minute Star Wars balance meditation. Please subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.